Yo, SWG Shell the Water Guy here. We are gonna put a finish on this butcher block today. I'm gonna try to explain what I'm doing and everything, so stick around, stay tuned. Here we go. Alright, so let's see if we can get a better shot here. First thing I want to do on this sucker is I got a tack cloth, get all the dust and crap off here. I do have it spaced up, so on blocks here. I wonder if I should do mineral. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some mineral spirits to clean this off. We're gonna do that. All right. Okay. Stick around for that. Just a second. You know what? I decided not to do that. I'm just gonna wipe this off with this. Get my oil. This Watco Butcher block. I don't know if anybody's ever used it. If you have, I'm gonna try it. Give it a shot. See how it goes. Okay. Alright, next step. Alright, here we go. We're gonna get our finish open. And we're gonna get going. That's not the right tool to open a paint can. I know. I know, not the right tool. My rags over here. Yeah, just some old t-shirt cleaned up. See how this goes. Let me know if any of you use any of this oil, butcher block oil from Watco. Yeah, good thing they're doing this outside. I'm making a mess. Dang it, Sheldon. Make a mess. Quit making a mess, Sheldon. The oil. That's soaking right in. Soaking right in. It sure is. Tip it up here. Do this in. That did need some. All right, well, Looks pretty good. I don't know. Man, feels like it needs more than gonna need several coats. So we'll see. Flip it over and do the other side, I guess. That's what the other side looks like without finish on it. All right, there we go. There's a finish. All right, we'll figure out later. All right, we got the first coat on. Now I'm just gonna wipe it dry and let it dry. Pretty much it. See how it goes. All right, stick around, hang out for me. Just give it a quick wipe any excess off. Turned out pretty good, actually. Definitely gonna need several coats. It's gonna be a process. It's gonna be a process. But we'll get her. All right, that's pretty much it. That's just wiping it off, or just wiping any excess. It's soaked into the wood, but it's gonna definitely need several coats. So there we go. That's how we finished it.